What's the meaning of crested? Crested. Crested.
Crested. Crested. Crested is an adjective which describes something that has a crest or tuft on its head or top. The crest could be a natural feature like a bird's colorful feathers or a physical adornment like a decorative comb on a hat. The term is also used in botany to describe plants with a specific type of growth pattern. In general, crested things may have a more distinctive and striking appearance due to this unique feature on top. Overall, crested adds a visual element of interest and uniqueness to whatever it is describing.